He's had out this big meow. I've got canned food and good stuff down in the house, and he just wants his dry chow, which is in the bowls ready to go outside, but not. See how it's underneath that so little girl doesn't get it. Now, Marty doesn't want meat or canned food or chicken or any of that other stuff. He just wants his dry chow. Hi. Hi. Are you hungry, Marty? Marty, are you hungry? Go. I put it down for you. I turn around and feed the other cats, and I step on you because you weren't supposed to follow me. Please eat your breakfast. There you go, buddy. I didn't mean to step on you, but goodness gracious. All right, so tell me, we did pretty good last night, we think.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, it's an inch.
I agree.
I'm delighted.
Actually, it's a solid inch. It's like 1.1 inches.
Wow, I'm totally delighted. Yeah.
Yeah.
It didn't start until like midnight. They teased us about bad weather and rain for hours and hours and hours. And then finally around midnight, I had Don go out and unplug Ruby because it looked like it might be.
It was booming.
Yeah, it was pretty. Yeah.
The lights never blinked, so they really didn't. But man, it was close enough that I said, yeah, I'm really glad I went out and unplugged her. Yeah,
well, I fell asleep right around then on the couch for a little bit, and that's probably just as well. I don't need to be hearing that booming. Yeah. That just makes me nervous.
Yeah.
So anyway, Stripe had come in.
Yep.
He was dry in the house, and way cool. No watering today. I'm so excited.
I think everything got a good splash.
I was so excited. I just water the cats. I mean the cat bowls. Right. And the fountains. Check the fountains. Hi guys. You got your dry chow now, Marty? Yeah, I had a leg cramp at 6:15. Stood up out of the bed to address that. Stripe meowed one time. I came to the back door and let him out. Went right back to bed. And Marty was at the door waiting for breakfast at 6:15. I'm like, sorry, Marty, not now. This is Morris here, but I'm noticing my sparkleberry has all these flowers on it. Would be nice if it had a few more berries this year than typical. It's kind of laid over a little bit right now because it's wet, but. Good morning, Panther. Hi. Hey, bud. I had extra duty on water bowls this morning between the rain and the, splash up into the bowls from the ground, from the rain, and the raccoons and algae. I'm taking care of all of that this morning. A little extra water bowl work. Don's headed to the eye doctor for his yearly appointment in about 30 minutes. So we got up too late to get our walk in. We kind of forgot about it, and A just reminded us. Hey, Stripey! Which is a bummer because it feels really nice out here and I'm about ready to go. I got other things to handle though. He's just doing his morning walk to the creek. He does that every morning. So no trips downtown today. Yesterday, Johnny's AP Stats project was delivered. And that was basically the last reason for him to be on campus for any normal schoolwork. Tomorrow is senior breakfast, picture, and award ceremony. And the senior breakfast starts at 8, so we'll be getting up at 5:30 and going downtown kind of like normal, but it won't be for classes or anything. And then that's the last time we'll be on the SAU campus is tomorrow morning because the rehearsal for graduation and the actual graduation are at the Performing Arts Center. So I should have coordinated with Michelle to meet at Guardian Angel today, and I forgot because I can't go tomorrow because of the other things going on. But maybe she can go Friday, or I'll check about later this afternoon. Yeah, you can't be missing an opportunity to wear one of your watches.
That's right.
You're making me want a mint chocolate chip milkshake this morning. Yeah. I bought the shirt for him so I can make fun of the shirt.
It's not. I like this shirt.
I know, I do too. Yeah. It's missing a pocket. but that's
I don't
okay.
have a need for a badge anymore.
That's right. That's true too. Your phone will work in your blue jeans pockets.
Pockets
yeah,
for my phone.
yeah. All right. Don's headed to his yearly eye doctor appointment.
Yep.
He always gets dressed up for his doctor's appointments.
Yeah, it's the only point I get to go anywhere where I dress up. That's right. Although I get to dress up tomorrow, maybe.
That's right. Yep. So while Don was gone, I did a very thorough vacuum, and I cleaned all 3 cat water fountains. This one is now louder. I think that's because the flow rate is actually like it's supposed to be. Yeah, I should clean them more often. Mr. Man is never far from the back door these days, which I like. I like not wondering where he is. It's between the platform, the deck, and the bench. He's been spending the whole night on the bench. He just, waits for it to get in the shade. I think that's where I want it. You gonna get it leveled out and ready for me? It's already got holes in it.
Yeah.
And we bought a cement piece for underneath it, but because of the hill, Don's thinking a couple of pieces of treated scrap lumber also.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it in, and then also build it up. So it'll be mostly in the dirt, but that lip over here will be either that or the bricks over there, I guess, one of the others.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I really think that's where I want it. And the thing of it is the way we're going to do it. If we decide we want to move it, we have that option.
Right. I think actually what I'm going to do is go up there and get one of my really grungy, scrappy looking pieces, green, mossy pieces of pressure treated, not that nice new clean pressure. I'm going to go up, I've stacked all that up there, and so that'll just kind of disappear into the grass. It'll just be,
well, that piece of cement's really big, so you can hide the wood underneath the piece of cement. Yeah. Yeah, so somehow it got to be going on 4 p.m. and Don offered to walk with me because it's not too hot today, but
actually very nice.
I am not an afternoon walker, and I have been extra busy today. I know you guys don't know, but I cleaned out my fish tank in Johnny's room.
Yeah.
And Johnny swapped out his failed battery UPS for one of the ones that Don had recently repaired. And then I put a UPS underneath my fish tank because when the propeller stops, it gets off balance and I have to take it apart and put it back together, and then I cuss and I get angry and frustrated. And it was plugged into Johnny's thing, but Johnny's going to take it off to school probably. Yeah. So anyway, this is leading up to a long excuse as to why we're not walking today. Even though it's questionable that we're going to walk tomorrow. Don said he'd help me with my pot, and he's got stuff to do, and I'm going to make that shepherd's pie again. That's quite a bit of cooking, and I haven't stuck together one Lego piece today.
Oh,
so I'm probably going to go start cooking while Don gets the pot leveled, because he doesn't need me for that. And when the pot's ready to go, I'll come back outside.
Yeah. Sounds like a great idea.
It's nice out here.
It is.
As long as the mosquitoes don't start biting me, we're good.
Yep. They'll be coming.
And tomorrow is back downtown, senior breakfast, awards ceremony and stuff. So one last trip over to SAU. Yeah. I've been cleaning today because I think I'm upset about, I mean, I'm happy and I'm upset. Like, Johnny's happy to graduate, but he's distressed about missing his friends. I mean, I remember that happened. Your routine changes. It's, even if it's right and for the better, it's still hard. So we're coping today. We're coping.
Mom.
Johnny came out with me while I was cooking and got the other pinball machine for the teacher gift, the Lego stuff done. Oh wow, Don did a really great job. It looks like it's been there for a while, like he said. It's good. It's good. Huh. And put rocks in for me. We're gonna put a little bit of the yard dirt, and then we've got the good dirt. And here's my little tree. I'm so excited about it. Well, there it is. Creeping Jenny and everything, because every pot in the yard's got to have some creeping Jenny. This was a ghost Japanese maple. Ghost Dancer. I think Ghost Dancer specifically. The one that started all the ghosts. And it has these very nice reticulated leaves. It's got the veins in it. It's supposed to like morning sun and afternoon shade, and that's when it's going to get here. So it should have its best color. Did you come to help? You're a good helper. Aw, you talking to me? Uh-huh. Stripe. Aw. The rest of the leftover creeping Jenny I have is going here. And it handles cats laying on it really good. This part of the clematis vine's actually not growing. Anyway, I'm putting the rest of the creeping Jenny here. From here, this is leftovers we had this year because we had so much of it. Yeah, I know my boys are going to be laying on it lickety split, but that's okay. It'll mush it down, but it won't kill it. And they like it. It's cool. It's free. It expanded that much this year. I added the coleus on the right. I hope that's one of the ones that likes sun. The tag said full sun or full shade. It fades a little bit in this August summer heat, but should be pretty. And flowers on the table over here, 2 of them had to be planted better. Yeah, it keeps on coming off, but thank you for fixing it. You comfy, Marty? Is my Marty comfy? Hi. Hi, buddy. It's a good boy. Yeah, the yellow pot and the tan pot, they're actually in the pots now. I went to the garage and got lucky and found this flag. I 100% know that eagle on top, that traditional flagpole that we've all seen, those little kits, come from my dad. This flag looks like it's in way too good a shape to be the flag from New Jersey. But I don't know. I did not believe it was my flag from the other house, so maybe it was Dad's flag from North Carolina. Anyway, little, you know, whenever Dad flew it, he flew it right. Now it's not exactly attached to the pole correctly, and Dawn didn't have anything to do with that. That's just how it was attached to the pole. We might do something a little better. But we're ready for Memorial Day now. I'm gonna start building this adorable tuxedo cat and mouse. I doubt I have enough time to finish before dinner. It's already 6:45 p.m. but I'm gonna start on it. Are you gonna insist on helping, Stripe? There's not enough room up here for you. He goes, want to make a bet? What's more important to you, Mama, your Legos or me? He goes, those are cat bowls. Is there any food in them? Hi, bud. Alright, I speed built this guy as fast as I'm capable of building because I just couldn't stop once I started. Absolutely adorable. Tux has his own Lego in the house. Too cool. I kind of like to do the bunny next year for Easter, so I'll have to think on that. These 3-in-1 creator sets for the developer designer is all about how to take almost like 95-98% of the parts and be able to build 3 different things with them. You pick. Obviously I picked the cat and mouse. What do you think? We got a Tux in the house? Good girl.